Hey, it's Harold from Ask the Mower Guy, and we are looking at a beautiful bike right here. What I am looking at with you is the TM10 from Trailmaster. Now, Trailmaster is a brand of many different bikes, ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, and this is the starter bike. It's got everything you're going to need to get your kiddos going. It's got the fall off protection right there. It's got the kill switch. Yeah, that black is so that if the kid falls off, it's gonna shut the engine off. It's got the brakes. This is hydraulic brakes. It's got a key, so he can't just jump on it without you giving permission to the kiddo to get out there and ride. Nice seat. It gives you lots of room. It's got the guarding over the muffler, reinforced. I mean, good strong tires, disc brakes in the front, disc brakes in the back. It is a kickstart. You can see the kickstart, and they placed the oil reservoir right where it's easy to find, right there on the side, so you can check your oil quickly without any problems. I like how the tires have good fenders over them, so you don't get a lot of mud flicked up at you as you're riding, and those big oversized disc brakes that you see on the machine itself. It even has the vent tube on the cap. When you're looking down at the carburetor, it does have a choke. It's a manual flip choke on the side, and you can adjust right there on the side. You can adjust the idle. It has an idle screw that is on the machine itself. You're backing up and looking at it. Put your numbers right there on the front, number 42 or whatever the race numbers are. It has a shifter. This is a semi-automatic, so it's not an auto, it's a semi-auto. I think you should really take a look at this. Trailmaster has taken the time to make a beautiful machine that's sized for your starter kids to get out there and really enjoy the biking experience. We wanted to do this video so that you had a chance to see the sizing. You can see some of the go-karts in the background. You can see the other equipment that we have here and get a feel for this. This is a really nice bike. It's pretty heavy duty for the size of the bike, and I think it would give you an opportunity to let your kid experience riding a motorcycle. Even has right there, you can see it, the spark arrestor on the muffler. It's chain driven right down there to the back. It does have the little tabs, and give your kid a chance to really experience dirt bike riding without breaking the bank.